Buddies, I'm RJ Rohita, grade 7 from Primbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo, a rapture and a radiance and a hush, delivered from the approach of wounded hearts, denied to the idea that looks at grief, remote from the force that cries out in its pain. In his inalienable bliss they live. Thank you, bye.
Hi, hello buddies. Now Ajay Rohita, grade 7 from Primbats Garden School. Today's Karma Yogi Appa message. Every act that is a source of petty desire can be an occasion for high delight when the attitude is changed and the consciousness elevated. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Ajay Rohita, grade 7 from Primbats Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. Two people in front of two people, two people behind two people, and two people beside two people. How many people are there? Answer 4. And next, ஒருத்தன் காலையில் எழுந்து ஷூ போட்டுக்கிட்டு கிரவுண்டில் செம்ம ஸ்பீடாக ஓடுனான். திடீர்னு பார்த்தா அவன் காலில் இருந்து ரத்தம் வருதான். ஏன்? பதில், ஏன்னா அவன் போட்டுட்டு இருந்தது கட் ஷூவாம், அதான் காலை கட் பண்ணிடுச்சான். தேங்க்யூ, பாய்.